Mortgage Coach has released a bot, and the Mortgage Coach Assistant allows a consumer and a loan officer to interact with the bot in two very different ways. Let's first think about a consumer. They start a conversation, they can either pick up the conversation where they left off or beginning a new conversation, all with the goal of creating their total cost analysis, the Mortgage Coach flagship experience to provide clarity for a confident mortgage decision with simple graphs and charts to understand either a purchase or refinance scenario. Now, as the customer interacts with the intelligent mortgage conversation, they're able to share insight about their scenario, whether it's information about how affordable the home is or asking questions about terminology that they need help understanding. As they navigate the seamless conversation with the simple bot, they're going to be provided a presentation to see exactly what a total cost analysis experience with a professional could be. When you're looking at the situation of a customer, you may take other circumstances into account, such as do they rent? This all has an impact into the way that the presentation would be presented. When you respond to the chat that you would like to see that solution, it's going to provide a rendered experience that shows you all of the information regarding the mortgage transaction. We're pulling this information from lots of different sources to ensure that the data is comprehensive and that the mortgage professional that they are connected to will then be able to use these charts and graphs to have a better conversation with the customer. As you'd imagine, all the information and the experience is shareable through the bot experience and the chat experience. So as you add other people to the conversation, they're able to see that same content and begin interacting with that content. From the Mortgage Coach perspective, Mortgage Coach empowers professionals to leverage this presentation to help customers see the data. So here the mortgage professional is able to log in and add video to the presentation that the customer just generated on their own. So they're able to narrate it and explain to the customer what it is that they're looking at. What you're seeing and what they're doing traditionally is having to go through our app to enter this information. But now the Mortgage Coach Assistant through the bot application will be able to both collect this information from the consumer as well as giving a Mortgage Coach Assistant experience to the professionals themselves, where they can ask the bot different questions and it will create that presentation or give additional market insight. Today, Mortgage Coach Rate Watch is used to track a number of different economic factors. We envision the bot is able to respond given some information about these factors. I can ask the bot some simple questions about what's going on right now and get a very clear response. And conversational apps, of course, aren't just chat. We're using the entire spectrum of the bot platform to engage in all outlets, such as Alexa, ask Rate Watch what is the current price.
Price is 102.69. What else do you want to know?
We believe the conversational apps are changing the face of fintech, one great bot at a time.